Hello everyone, this is Dr. Evers, and today I'm going to show you how to build a table of contents in Microsoft Word. I'm using Microsoft Word 2010, but this works in 2007 and further back even. So this will be a generic demonstration. Okay, so I have a document here that is real simple. It has a table of contents and, or no, I'm sorry, it has a title page, and that's it. One other page that has no information in it. And what we're going to do is we are going to create this table of contents. So let's get started. So in this table, we're going to start developing our structure of our paper. And to do so, let's start building our outline. And to do that, we put in our section headers. So the first section header to go in is abstract. And then we'll go ahead and tab down there and let's look back to what we got. So we've got abstract, introduction, what makes a good paper, content, structure, flow, etc., etc. So let's just get these first three in here: abstract, introduction, and what makes a good paper. Okay, so those are our first level 1 sections, or section headers 1, 2, and 3. And let's go ahead and just stop here and go ahead and make the table of contents. So to do that, first we need to assign the headings to these. And in Microsoft Word, you have this style section. And if you can't see it, you just click the bottom here and it's heading 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So I'm going to assign this to heading 1, which corresponds to level 1 in your APA manual if you're using APA. And sometimes these need to be adjusted, and that's kind of another demo, but you can modify these to be exactly what you want. But I already have them modified. So the next section is introduction. That's also going to be a heading 1, and what makes a good paper is going to be a heading 1. Okay, so now we have 3 heading 1s, and here is where we would just enter, and we'd start typing all the information about the paper. All right. Here, for example. Okay. And anyway, so we want to insert a table of contents. So we're going to click right in front of abstract and hit insert page break, and that's going to give us a fresh page to start with. Click up in here, and under references you can go to table of contents, select any one you want inside here. I usually just select the first one, assuming that it comes up here. Anytime. All right, so it's nice and slow. Sorry about that. And I'm going to go ahead and select the first one. This is table of contents, and boom, it automatically makes this table of contents. And if you click on it, it'll take you right to where you want. This is why it's nice to build this automatically, because if we change these, they'll update. So let's go ahead and finish the rest of this thing real quick. And so what makes a good paper, we did that. Now we're going to do content, structure, and flow. So go ahead and go to what makes a good paper, and in here we'll type in content, structure, flow. Okay, now this is a level 1 heading, so if this is inside the level 1, it would be a level 2 heading. So again, go back to here and say level 2, level 2, level 2. Okay, and let's go back up to our table of contents, and as you can see, there's nothing there. Well, that's because it has to be updated. So you can click inside this table, and it says update table. Select that guy, and always select the second one, update entire table, because then it does the page numbers and the structure. And Click OK, and wow, there you go. There's your information. So basically, that's how you make your table of contents. And you know, if depending on what style you're using, you'll have to modify through things. Like for instance, this is not APA because it's a different color and all that. So I would center that, and change it to the normal color, and put it back to 12. And what is it, Times New Roman? But anyway, that's it. That's how you make a table of contents. I hope this helps and cuts down on your workload, because making these by hand is not fun. Take care.